Babies, let's enjoy some alphabet K to O with some colors. Red color, light green color, blue color, pink color, orange color, green color, violet color, black color, brown color, violet color K. K for kangaroo, K for kite. Violet color L. L for leaf, L for lion. M for monkey, M for mango. Pink color N. N for nest, N for necklace. O for owl, O for octopus. K for kangaroo, K for kite. L for leaf, L for lion. M for monkey, M for mango. N for nest, N for necklace. O for octopus, O for owl. Thank you.